Welcome to our deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class Wagon, a luxury vehicle that perfectly balances practicality, cutting-edge technology, and timeless elegance. As Mercedes-Benz continues to set benchmarks in the automotive industry, this wagon takes sophistication, innovation, and performance to a whole new level. Whether you're a family-oriented buyer, a tech enthusiast, or a driving purist, the 2025 E-Class Wagon has features to impress you. Let's explore every aspect in detail. The 2025 E-Class Wagon's design is a harmonious blend of modern aesthetics and functional utility. The long wheelbase and muscular shoulders give the car a commanding road presence. Aerodynamic contours along the side not only enhance the vehicle's efficiency, but also add a sense of motion even when it's standing still. The front grille is reimagined with intricate diamond patterns and a central Mercedes-Benz star, framed by elegant chrome trim. The digital light system sets a new benchmark with its ability to project symbols and warnings directly onto the road, providing enhanced safety and visibility. At the rear, the design remains sleek and sporty, featuring wraparound LED taillights with an intricate light signature. Twin exhaust outlets and subtle chrome accents complete the rear's balanced design. Step into the cabin, and you're greeted by an atmosphere of refined luxury. The interior has been meticulously crafted to provide comfort and functionality. High-quality materials, such as Napa leather, open-pore wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents, dominate the space. For eco-conscious buyers, Mercedes-Benz offers sustainably sourced materials, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability without compromising luxury. Seating comfort is paramount, with multi-contour front seats featuring heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, while the wagon's clever design maximizes headroom even for taller passengers. The versatile rear seats fold flat at the touch of a button, offering an expansive cargo space of up to 18-20 liters, ideal for road trips, sports gear, or even furniture shopping. The 2025 E-Class Wagon introduces the next level of digital luxury with its MBUX Superscreen. Spanning almost the entire width of the dashboard, this OLED display combines the instrument cluster, infotainment, and a dedicated passenger screen. The graphics are sharp, intuitive, and fully customizable, making the interface user-friendly for tech-savvy and traditional drivers alike. Voice control, powered by artificial intelligence, ensures effortless interaction. You can control everything from navigation to climate settings simply by saying, "Hey Mercedes." Connectivity is seamless with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto included as standard. Passengers can enjoy a robust 5G internet connection, enabling smooth video streaming, virtual meetings, or gaming on the go. Rear seat passengers can also access optional entertainment screens, making long journeys a pleasure for everyone. Mercedes-Benz offers a range of powertrain options in the 2025 E-Class Wagon to cater to diverse driving needs. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system that delivers approximately 255 horsepower and smooth acceleration. A more powerful six-cylinder hybrid option combines a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with an electric motor, producing up to 375 horsepower for drivers seeking excitement. For eco-conscious buyers, the plug-in hybrid variant offers an all-electric range of about 60 miles, perfect for daily commutes or city driving. All models come equipped with the 9G Tronic 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring optimal power delivery. Drivers can choose between rear-wheel drive or the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system for superior traction and handling in various conditions. Specialized wheels offer more complete control, lower slip, and higher fare. The 2025 E-Class Wagon excels in ride comfort and agility. The standard suspension system provides a balanced, smooth ride over most surfaces. For those who desire an even more refined experience, the optional Airmatic air suspension offers adaptive damping, allowing the car to glide effortlessly over bumps while tightening up for spirited driving. Rear-wheel steering is another standout feature. At low speeds, it reduces the turning radius for better maneuverability, while at higher speeds it enhances stability. The result is a wagon that feels equally at home in city traffic and on winding mountain roads. The The plug-in hybrid variant features advanced battery technology designed for convenience and efficiency. The battery supports both AC and DC charging, with a Level 2 charger offering a full recharge in about 2 hours. DC fast charging further reduces downtime, providing up to 80% charge in under 30 minutes. Innovative energy management systems monitor driving habits and terrain to optimize battery usage. Regenerative braking also captures energy during deceleration, feeding it back into the battery and extending the electric range. Mercedes-Benz is renowned for its commitment to safety, and the 2025 E-Class Wagon is no exception. It's equipped with the latest version of the brand's intelligent drive system, which includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, active lane keeping assist, and evasive steering assist to help avoid collisions. The optional Drive Pilot system allows Level 3 semi-autonomous driving on certain highways, giving the driver the option to relax while the car handles steering, acceleration, and braking. A 360-degree camera system and a host of parking aids ensure you remain confident in any driving scenario. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, industry estimates suggest the base model will start around $75,000. Higher trims, including the plug-in hybrid variant, may exceed $95,000 with optional features. The 2025 E-Class Wagon is expected to debut in late 2024, with global deliveries beginning in early 2025. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class Wagon is a vehicle that combines luxury, versatility, and sustainability in an unparalleled way. Its elegant design, innovative technology, and diverse powertrain options make it a standout choice in the luxury wagon segment. Whether you need a family car, a road trip companion, or an executive vehicle with cutting-edge features, the E-Class Wagon delivers on all fronts. If you've enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive reviews. Stay tuned for updates and real-world driving impressions as we get closer to the release date. Thanks for watching.